Adams from Park Islands Boat Sales, and we're bringing you another little video. Today I'm down at Hamble Point Marina and I've got a guest. I'm joined by Peter from August Race. Now Peter is doing some work at the moment on our Cobra 7.7 demo rib. Now the demo rib has been used for a demo weekend here at Hamble Point, and it was also used at the Southampton Boat Show. There's a little bit of dirt on the tubes, but not a huge amount, and Peter is doing some cleaning on this rib, and let's walk down and meet Peter and find out a bit more about what Peter's doing at the moment. Hey Peter.
Hi there, how you doing?
All is good. So what product are you using at the moment to clean up the rib? So
we're using liquid rib, which is our fast acting rib tube cleaner, widely used throughout the industry, and what's a bit unique about this product is it can be used on all rib tube materials. So whether or not you've got a smooth finished rib tube or a carbon impression like this lovely Cobra, it's safe to use on all these sorts of surfaces.
Superb. And once you've done that clean, so you've taken some of the dirt out of the carbon there, and it's amazing actually how much dirt the carbon tube takes in, and that just brings all that dirt out. And then once you've done that, what's the product you recommend to put on top of the rib after that? So we have a new product which is called LRUV. This is actually a polymer sealer. So this product really works by bonding to the tube, but also then bonding to itself to create a true seal over the tube. We've also got a really high quality UV absorber in this product, which means that it's going to give you the best possible chance of preventing any oxidisation, and it also helps to stop salt sticking to the tubes, which makes for an easier clean once you bring the boat back and lay it up. Very simple to apply. You really don't need very much of this at all. You're literally just looking to wet the surface with it. It'll dry back and give you a nice even finish, and again, that's whether you've got smooth tubes, carbon impression, fabric impression, anything you like. And so something I've noticed on certain other products is they can sometimes leave quite a sort of sticky residue, and it becomes quite shiny. How does your product differ from that end result on that? You'll often find with a silicon-based product that you will have a sticky residue or a slippery residue, and also then it attracts salt and it attracts carbon. This is a polymer which works completely differently, so you're not going to end up with a horrible sticky mess. And you can even layer this product, so if you wanted to apply it and then thought to yourself perhaps it would be nice to go back to the boat and bring it back up again a couple of months later, you can do that, no problem at all. In fact, you can see already, just as it's drying off, there's just a really nice sheen left on the tube rather than that bright shininess. It looks amazing. Fantastic. Well, thank you for showing us the products.
No problem.
And yeah, very much looking forward to seeing your video, because we can see a camera in the background there. Peter's been doing his own video, which will be appearing on the August Race channel as well. So thanks so much for what you're doing on this Cobra rib.
Thanks for having me.
Cheers.